In today's video, I'll show you one of the fastest and most efficient ways of cutting your footage in Premiere Pro using just a couple of custom shortcuts. To start, let's open up the shortcut settings by pressing Option-Command-K on Mac or Control-Alt-K on Windows, and then search for Add Edit. As you can see, I have set Add Edit to X and Add Edit to All Tracks to Shift X. Then if we search for Ripple Delete shortcut, I have set it to Z. Personally, I find these settings to be very convenient as they are all within the reach of my left hand, so as usual, feel free to copy them. If you decide to revert back to the original settings though, you can easily do that by going up to Presets and selecting the default option. Now, to make a cut, just position your playhead where you want and press X. As you can see, every selected video and audio track is cut through. You can toggle these tracks on and off by clicking on these blue squares. However, if you want to cut a single clip, you can do it by simply selecting it before hitting X. To cut through everything, regardless of track selection, use the shortcut Shift X. Now, for a real-life example, if you want to, let's say, remove a silent part, simply press X to make your first cut, then move your playhead forward and press Q. This will ripple delete everything in front of the last cut. Alternatively, if you want to ripple delete everything before the cut, press W instead of Q like this. If you accidentally go too far, you can hold Command on Mac or Control on Windows and drag it back slightly to restore. And lastly, if you decide that you don't need a clip anymore, just press Z to ripple delete it. And that's about it. It's only one of many ways to cut, but it's definitely one of the fastest. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing, and if you want to speed up your editing workflow even more, then make sure to check out my Premiere Pro presets in the description down below. Once again, thank you for watching, and hopefully I'll see you on the next video. Bye.